Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute cactus with flowers. And I'm using 100% acrylic yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook. Now start by doing a magic ring. Chain, then 12 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 12 single crochet, pull the tail, then for round 2 do a single crochet in each of the chain for 5 rounds. And we will meet right at the end of the 5 rounds. Once you have 5 rounds, fill with stuffing. Then for round 7, single crochet in the first chain, and then increase in the next chain. Repeat for 18 single crochet stitches around. For round 8, single crochet in the first, mark it, single crochet in the next chain, and then increase in the next. Repeat around for 24 single crochet stitches. For round 9, single crochet in the first chain, single crochet in the next, and then single crochet in the next, 1 2 3, and then increase in the next. Repeat around for a total of 30 single crochets. And now for round 10, we'll do a different kind of single crochet. Insert your hook in this loop right here on the previous, and then insert in the first chain. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and then mark it. We will repeat. Insert your hook in this loop on this side here, and then insert your hook in that next chain. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops. I don't know how to call this stitch, but it's look good for doing the cactus. Insert your hook here, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Okay, here, and then insert your hook in the next chain, over, pull through 3, and then repeat this for 4 rounds, for a total of 4 rounds, and you should have 30 single crochet stitches around. And now this is the stitch look like. For round 14, single crochet, 1, single crochet in the next, single crochet in the third, and then front loop only in the next, decrease, repeat single crochet, 1, 2, 3, then front loop only decrease in the next, repeat for a total of 24 single crochet stitches around. Continue doing in round 15 to round 18. Once done with round 18, cut the yarn, then change your preferred color, remove the stitch marker, then make a chain with this color. And then single crochet in that same stitch and continue single crochet around for 6 single crochet stitches. For making this flower, leave extra tail, then magic ring chain and 12 single crochet inside the ring, once you have 12, pull the tail, but make a gap like this, make a hole in the center like this one, then slip stitch in this first chain, this one, slip stitch, then chain of 2, 1, 2, then 4 double crochet with the tail here, okay, on this here, one, two, three, 4 double crochet, and then single crochet in the next chain here, single crochet, then chain 1 2, and then repeat 4 double crochet in the next chain, 1 2 3 and 4, then single crochet in the next chain, chain of 1 2, then repeat 4 double crochet.